Are you looking for the best budgeting hacks that won't break the bank? In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 budgeting tips that are perfect for beginners. Tip number 1. Create a monthly budget and stick to it religiously. This will help you track your expenses and make adjustments as needed. Tip number 2. Cut back on unnecessary expenses like eating out or buying coffee daily. Small changes like this can add up to big savings over time. Tip number 3. Consider using cash envelopes for different spending categories. This will help you visually see how much money you have left in each category. These apps can help you track your spending, set goals, and stay on top of your finances. Tip number 5. Always prioritize saving money. Even if it's just a small amount each month, it will add up over time. And that's it for today's video. Remember, budgeting is a journey, so don't get discouraged if you make mistakes along the way. Just keep learning and adjusting your habits, and you'll be on your way to financial success. If you found these budgeting hacks helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money-saving tips.